Why do 75% of kids give up when things get tough? Not Lee. Here's her story. Lee lives in a small village in China. Every day she faces many obstacles just to get to school. One morning, she finds the bridge broken. But she remembers her mother's advice. Use your mind, Lee, and you'll find a way. She thinks hard and finds a safe path across the river. Next, she has to climb high hills. It's tough, but Lee knows she must keep going. She takes one step at a time, her determination growing with every climb. Finally, after many challenges, she reaches school. But Lee doesn't stop there. She helps fix the bridge and marks the safe path for others. Her journey teaches a big lesson: never give up no matter how hard it gets. Lee's story shows us that with determination and a little bit of creativity, we can overcome any obstacle. So, next time you face a challenge, remember Lee. Keep going and you'll find your way. Stay inspired, kids.